My name is Sandra, and I am a very happy client here, and I lost 18 pounds at Diet and Weight Loss Center. I'm very excited about that. Out of my years, I've always gone up and down with weight, but never achieved my goal. And so this time I achieved my goal, so I was very excited about that. At Diet Weight Loss, any diet I've gone on, I've never had it where you all with Diet Weight Loss, they break it down for you, your body fat, your mass, your waist, the water weight. I didn't have that before, and each time I meet with Chrissy or whoever I meet with that weekly session, we go through it, and I can see where I put on there, where I have to take off there, and I just never had a breakdown like that. So that was huge. And when I do share my story with my friends, I do share that part with them, how they're gonna break it down for you. You don't have to even guess, because when you get on a scale, you don't know if it's water weight, you don't know if it's fat. You just don't know. But the way it's broken down here really made a difference for me. You know what, I think the best part is, and this may sound a little vain, but everywhere I go, people are stopping me. People that I know, my circle, just tell me how good I look. And I was always one that usually, try to keep up with how I look, but I know within the last 2 years, I didn't like taking pictures, so I knew that I needed to do something. And within this last months I've been on this diet, I think just the compliments that are coming in, and just me feeling good about when I go shopping. There was a time I used to be able to do what I'm doing now, but it's been so long ago. So going into the stores, finding what fits and feeling good about it. But once again, Diet Weight Loss, having that one-on-one coaching, it was medically supervised. I get to see where the weight was coming and coming off. Just really made me stick with it, because I've been here, done that, and I think most of us have. But yes, I'm really proud of the success and the achievement. The staff here is phenomenal, always friendly, and there's some weeks where I can't, well, not weeks, but if I couldn't make one week, I would just call, and they were very accommodating with rescheduling for me. But yeah, very accommodating. When you walk in, it's hi Sandra. They get to know you, and it makes you feel good. And I look forward to coming. I'm telling you, I'm usually very tired from work, and I think that's why things didn't work out for me before. I was exhausted, but believe it or not, I'm never tired when I come here. I look forward to coming here. I look forward to meeting and having the coaching session. Yep, awesome staff.